Having seen the recipe, Fiona's come to one of London's oldest bakeries to try Princess Elizabeth's cake. After all, the proof is in the eating.
So here we have the cake made in the style of Princess Elizabeth. And it is a zeppelin, isn't it? Let's see if it's heavy. Not too bad. It's more like a huge fruit bun. Shall I get in there? Well, it's quite hard to cut. All the cake she could have made. Oh, I'm not sure I'd have chosen this one. Hang on. There. It smells a bit yeasty. I think a bit of butter might improve it. Let's give that a go. Okay, here we go. Well, honestly, I think compared to everything else on this table, I'd go for all of that before I'd go for this. So I would say Princess Elizabeth, 2 out of 10 for taste, really.